Provide users with a customized navigation experience by creating custom navbars for your organization and course offerings. This tutorial shows how to create a custom navbar. To access navigation and themes, hover over the navbar, click the More Options menu, then select Manage All Course Navbars. Click Create Navbar. Then enter a name for it. Click Add Links to add links to the different areas of the navbar. From here, you can create custom links and add existing links. To add existing system links, select your links from the list. Note, the links available depend on the tools your organization uses, the custom links and link groups available, and the tools enabled for your course. When you are ready, click Add to confirm your selection. Drag and drop the links to rearrange the order. Check Share with Child org units to make the navbar available to child org units. Expand Change the title in the navbar. To edit or remove the title from the navbar. When you have completed your customizations, click Save and Close. The newly created navbar displays in the list. To set the new navbar as the default, click the Context menu and select Set as the default. When new org units are created, they will use this navbar as their default. Provide users with a customized navigation experience by creating custom navbars for your organization and course offerings.